In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your Google Authenticator key. This process is crucial for maintaining access to your accounts if you've lost your phone or are unable to use your usual authentication methods. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your Google account. Open your browser and navigate to Google's login page. Enter your credentials to access your account. Now, once you're in, look towards the top right corner. You'll see your profile picture or an icon representing your Google account. Click on it. This will open a small menu with a few options, and from there you'll need to click on Manage Your Google Account. At this point, you should be directed to your Google account homepage. On the left-hand menu, there's an option labeled Security and Sign In. Click on that. This section is your gateway to managing all the security features connected to your Google account. Now, under the Security and Sign In section, find and click on Two-Step Verification. This is a key security measure to ensure your account stays protected even if someone gets your password. You might be prompted to enter your password again just to verify your identity. After successfully signing in, look for the option that says Backup Codes. You'll click on Backup Codes to view them. If you've never set this up before, it's essentially a list of codes that you can use to access your account whenever you don't have your usual two-step verification device handy. Click on Get Backup Codes and you'll be provided with a list of codes. Take a close look and you'll be able to see an option to either download or print these codes. It's really useful to save them somewhere secure, and if you lose them, you can always refresh the list to generate new ones. Remember, each backup code can only be used once. So if you're running low or just want a fresh set, you can click the refresh icon for a new batch. This way, you'll always have a backup method to access your account, which is incredibly important if you can't use Google Authenticator directly. So there you have it. You've successfully gone through the steps of recovering your Google Authenticator key using backup codes. Keep these codes safe because they're your lifeline to maintaining account access should your main authentication method fail. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in for more tips on navigating digital security.